This is the Sane Smart LCD keypad shield. Bought this on eBay for about 15 bucks shipped, and I'm just going to show you guys how it works. Basically you're using pins. Let's see, the keypad, which is left, right, up, and down right here, that uses just one analog pin, analog 0, and then the LCD itself uses pins 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that's a total of 8 pins we're using. So it's not real efficient with pin usage. And also another thing I noticed was that it's not immediately evident to me how I'm able to get access to the remaining pins anyway. I mean, I see some places you can solder some headers in here, but that's only I'm not sure what pins those are, because that's in the that's like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it looks like you have access to maybe pins 1, 2, 3 right here, but I don't see how you have access to pins 11, 12, 13, so on. So this might be a solution just for input and display only if you're not doing anything else with the Arduino. So also I was only able to find, go ahead and hook it up, I was only able to find information on how to use this thing at the dfrobot.com site, which I'll give a link to in the blog post. And I've got this Arduino Uno preloaded with the example code from that site. So got to external power. Okay, I don't know how good that's coming through on the camera. Let me turn the light out. Okay, that might be a little better. And all this example code is showing is just the display, which might be a little dim. There is a little pot here to adjust the brightness. There we go, that's a little better. I might be able to turn the light back on now. Okay, but that's your pot there to adjust the brightness on the screen, as you saw. And then this example program is just showing how you can use the buttons, and it just tells you which button you're currently pressing, which could be very handy for a program in which you want to do some simple interface. You can have a menu and then a scroll up and down a menu, and then to go further into that selection you could go left and right, and then to select something, select. So pretty basic interface. But that's the Sane Smart Liquid Crystal display keypad shield, and this program right here is using the standard liquid crystal library. There again, I put all the code and links to the library files and the example program on the blog post. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.